it's a good time to catch up with an old bangers and cash favourite that needed a bit of weekend work. Its owner, always busy farmer Simon Learoyd, parked his broken limited edition Avon version of the classic Sunbeam Lotus outside his mum's kitchen door 30 years ago and left it there.
It's been left in the yard all that time, which is terrible. Parked right in the back door, right in Mother's way, much to her annoyance.
Dave shipped it out.
Brilliant.
Along with one of the last complete Sunbeam Lotus body shells in existence that Simon had also squirreled away. At the time, there were only 5 of these limited edition Sunbeams left on the road.
13.5 for the first, second, third and last time. 13.5 provisional.
Robert Oakes from Hampshire grabbed the car and shell. He took them straight round to local renovator Simon White.
It looks sad, but it's got the potential, hasn't it?
It won't be ready for Monday.
No, OK, all right.
The first job, see how good the shell was.
I sent it to be stripped, got it back into the body shop, and it was clean. There was no rust holes, as if I'm working with a new car. It was dipped in a primer, umpteen coats of paint on it. We then had to mask up and spray in the dark blue metallic, which was the Avon colour scheme at the time.
Meanwhile, Robert was busy saving every salvageable part and component he could from the original car. 2 years of hard work, and still ongoing. But the transformation is a joy.
Things like the axle and the suspension, they've all been stripped. The interior is literally patiently cleaning until I got it back to what it was.
The rubbers around the windows and doors were saved, as was the wiring loom. But there was one notable miracle.
This is the actual Lotus 2.2 engine that was in the car. We put oil down the bores, we left it a couple of days, and we turned the engine over.
So it wasn't seized?
It wasn't seized. The engine went to an engine builder's and was totally stripped. The bores were measured for wear, and they were still good.
So despite the fact that it had been sat outside Simon's front door for donkey's years,
yes,
it was in remarkably good condition.
It was unreal.
Robert thinks he's still about 6 months off finishing now, and he's rightly proud that he's going to have one of the best and most original Sunbeam Lotuses around.
I've been able to recycle and reuse, and that's given me great satisfaction. I've been pleasantly surprised at the way it's come back from, I suppose, the dead, really.